Hello, entrepreneurs. We are TouchSuite merchant and payment processing and POS systems provider. Are you ready to explore digital marketplace success with advanced payment solutions for the credit repair business sector? Introducing TouchSuite. With over 20 years of experience in partnerships with major players like Visa, MasterCard, Discover, Amex, and many more, we've worked with over 50,000 merchants. Plus, our domestic US support is available 24/7. We're here when you need us. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below in the comments section. Building trust with a high-risk merchant account. In credit repair, trust is paramount. High-risk merchant accounts offer tailored solutions to foster trust, enhancing security and transparency for businesses and clients. The pulse of transactions, elevating credit card payment services. Credit card payment services in the digital marketplace must be reliable, with transparent billing, secure transactions, and real-time reporting to support clients on their financial recovery journey. Navigating complexity, understanding credit and debit card payment processing. Simplifying the complexities of credit and debit card payment processing is crucial in credit repair. Specialized processors provide clarity and tailored solutions for this industry. Gateway to security, the role of online payment gateway. Online payment gateways safeguard financial security for credit repair businesses. They facilitate secure transactions and protect sensitive information in high-risk sectors. Beyond transactions, merchant processing for credit repair. Merchant processing is the lifeblood of credit repair, offering real-time analytics and adaptive fraud detection, empowering businesses and supporting clients in their financial redemption journey. A secure harbor, the significance of high-risk payment gateway. In high-risk industries, a high-risk payment gateway offers advanced security features like encryption and tokenization, creating a safe haven for sensitive financial information. Elevating e-commerce, credit card processing for digital success. Elevate e-commerce success with specialized credit card processing solutions, ensuring secure and efficient transactions for credit repair businesses and clients. Empathy in every transaction, accepting credit cards for credit repair. Empathy is key in credit repair. Payment solutions that understand the emotional aspect foster a compassionate environment, standing as beacons of support for clients. CBD payment processing, navigating the regulatory currents. For businesses dealing with CBD products, navigating the regulatory landscape is a nuanced journey. Payment solutions versed in legal intricacies ensure compliance and transparency in CBD payment processing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For trusted payment solutions, visit TouchSuite's website with over 20 years of experience. See you in the next video.